Good afternoon, this is JSV Traffic and Weather, and you clicked on to this afternoon's traffic and weather update. We have an accident on I-95 northbound in South Philadelphia at Broad Street. It is in the process of being cleared, but it's in that split right lane. The left two lanes are getting by, but the split right lane at this time is blocked, and it is backing up traffic this afternoon, all the way back to near the airport. As you can see here at the camera, Enterprise Avenue, traffic is just crawling along northbound, and the same can be said here on the upstroke of the Girard Point double-decker bridge. You could try for the Platte Bridge this afternoon. That's not doing too bad. The issue with that is you got volume and congestion over on I-76 outbound in the roadwork area. As you can see, westbound here is just crawling at this time, especially approaching University Ave, where you have the University Ave on-ramp traffic merging into the westbound I-76 traffic. Further north on I-95, the good news is we don't have our afternoon congestion approaching the Vine Street Expressway. The bad news is we do have our daily delays up around the area of the Betsy Ross Bridge going northbound. And it's really even not that bad because even up there, it's lighter than normal due to that accident in South Philadelphia. Southbound, you do have construction still. It's the work zone. You only got 3 lanes going by, and it's the same thing northbound, only 3 lanes going by, and it's causing the daily afternoon congestion approaching Cottman Avenue. On I-76, in the city, we'll look at the city limits, really not doing that bad. I mean, going eastbound of Spring Garden, it's a little slow. Westbound at this point, no congestion. I-676, you got your typical afternoon volume delay from Broad Street out to I-76. It's that merge getting on the 76. You only got 1 lane. And continuing back west, further west towards the suburbs, here's 76 at City Avenue. We had some congestion here a little bit ago. That seems to have dissipated at this time. But it does pick up again approaching the area of Belmont Avenue, westbound. You can't see it here because the camera's turned around, but it is a little slow out towards Gladwin. Eastbound is a different story. You have delays that start back here around I-476, and that continues eastbound up until about Belmont. It's just slow and go at this time. Westbound, you do have a little bit of congestion at the curve in this area. And we also do have some minor congestion at this time eastbound approaching 202, which does appear to be dissipating. Westbound in this camera is just a little bit slow, but really nothing major to report at this time. 422 this afternoon is doing fantastic. Here we go westbound Egypt Road, and we're not even congested yet at 4:05 in the afternoon. That's a good sign. We'll have a look at the Blue Route here real quickly. And the Blue Route, for the most part, is not doing bad this afternoon. We had some earlier incidents in the area of Westchester Pike, southbound roadwork, northbound accident. That's gone, and we don't even have volume congestion at this time. And let's look at the traffic flow map this afternoon. As you can see, there's your 76 congestion. We did have an accident on 202 at around Summytown Pike. That might still be in the process of being cleared at this time. There is a camera in that area, but it's not working at this time. And this is showing there being a little bit of congestion left. Over in New Jersey, nothing to report in South Jersey. Got a couple incidents in North Jersey. We have an overturned tractor trailer on I-78 eastbound at the ramp to northbound exit 29, which is I-287. That ramp is closed at this time. We also have a disabled tractor trailer on New Jersey Route 17 in Newark at Maywood. The right lane is closed at this time. Going over to SEPTA, we do have a train that's leaving 30th Street Station that is running approximately 22 minutes late, destined for West Trenton. We also have another train that's going from Trenton to Chestnut Hill East. That's 8 minutes late. And as you can see here, there's a couple other trains that are just a couple minutes late. But really nothing major to report at this time. Alright, let's go over and check the weather. We had our first snowflakes of the season today in the city. How about that? Turned us into the holiday mood. That's if you like snow, anyhow. And for the most part, this is exiting the region now. As you can see, there's still a couple snow showers left. One here that's headed down towards Trenton. Another one back by Lancaster, and some flurries mixed in between. But the general trend is it is exiting the area. Tonight's going to be a drier night. We didn't receive any accumulation in the city. It did wet the roads. Up around Allentown, a half an inch was recorded, and a couple inches were recorded in the Poconos. Allentown and the Poconos, you need to be careful tonight. The temperatures are going to drop down to freezing, and because of that, we could see some slick spots on the roadways. We could see a couple patches of black ice up there if the roads don't dry in time. Moving ahead towards tomorrow, we are looking at a drier day tomorrow, and temperatures tomorrow are going to be much warmer. We are actually going to see full sunshine tomorrow, and high temperatures are going to get into the upper 40s to near 50 degrees. We'll take a look at the GFS model real quickly. Let me pull that up for you. Here we go. Here's the GFS model, and that's showing for tomorrow that high temperatures are much warmer. As you can see, 46 in the city, 40s up in the Poconos, and I wouldn't be surprised if we exceed that 46 amount. And as I said, we could get near 50 in some spots, especially down south Jersey and North Delaware, where we will see full sunshine. Okay, you have clicked onto this afternoon's traffic and weather update. There will be a full weather update posted later in the evening. Thanks for watching.